How old do you have to be to work at Sephora? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how old do you have to be in order to work at Sephora, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're an employee trying to either work in a general store or maybe in a corporate office of Sephora, it is actually quite simple to figure it out now. If I just go to Google and then I simply search for how old do you have to be, you can see it will give me two answers. First is that Sephora has an age minimum of 16 years old to work at a general store. So if you're trying to work in a store, you need to be at least over 16 years old. However, if you're 18 years old, you can actually also work in a corporate office. So if you're the person who's trying to get a job in the corporate office at Sephora, you need to be over 18 years of age. And these are the two ways and these are the two ages on how old you need to be to work at Sephora. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.